A slow toilet most often means a partial blockage or a malfunctioning flushing mechanism that can usually be fixed with a few basic tools and clear steps. Start by gathering a toilet plunger rated for toilets, a closet auger to reach deeper clogs, durable gloves, a large syringe or plastic cup for adding water, a sponge for cleanup, a pocket mirror to view the underside of the rim, a flashlight for inspection, a straightened wire coat hanger for careful probing near the trap, an Allen wrench set for adjusting tank hardware and the flush valve, and household bleach for disinfecting surfaces after the repair. First, put on gloves and use the flashlight and mirror to inspect under the bowl rim and the flush holes for mineral buildup or debris. Run the syringe or cup to add water if the bowl is low to ensure a good plunge seal. Use the plunger with steady, controlled thrusts and maintain the seal for at least 20 to 30 seconds per attempt. Avoid aggressive pumping, which can splash or break seals. If the plunger does not clear the slowdown, insert the closet auger carefully into the bowl and crank slowly until resistance is met. Then rotate to break up or retrieve the obstruction, pulling back gently to avoid scratching porcelain. For mineral scaling at the rim or jets, apply household bleach diluted with water and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before scrubbing with a cloth or sponge. Always ventilate the room and never mix bleach with other cleaners. If the flush mechanism is weak, use the Allen wrench to adjust the flapper chain length or the fill valve height so the tank fills to the correct water line noted inside the tank. The three most common mistakes are using a plunger without enough water, which prevents a proper seal. Always add enough water to cover the plunger head before plunging. Another frequent issue is forcing the auger aggressively, which can scratch the bowl or damage the trap. Go slowly, feel for resistance, and withdraw and reinsert at a slightly different angle if needed. A third problem is neglecting the tank components, where a misadjusted float or deteriorated flapper reduces flush power. Check and adjust chains, replace worn flappers, and set the fill valve so the tank refills to the marked water line. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and source practical advice for jobs like toilet repairs. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and find work or hire help through our platform.